Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Emma. In today's tutorial, we're diving into Power BI Desktop to understand the global and current file options. These settings are crucial for optimizing your data analysis workflow. Let's get started. Power BI Desktop offers two main types of settings: global and current file. Understanding the difference between these can significantly improve your efficiency. So what are they, and how do you use them? First, let's talk about global options. These settings apply to all new Power BI Desktop files you create. To access them, go to File, then Options and Settings, and select Options. Here, you'll find options are categorized to two: global and current file. First one is Global Menu. Here, you can see a list of over 15 options under Global Menu. These settings are your default for any new files you create, ensuring consistency across your projects. Next, here we have Current File options. These settings apply only to the currently open Power BI Desktop file. Current file options allow you to override global settings specifically for the file you're working on. This is useful if you have unique requirements for a particular report, such as parallelization settings. Here's a quick summary of the key differences between these options. Global settings apply to all new files. They're great for setting default behaviors. On the other hand, current file settings apply only to the open file, allowing you to override global settings for specific needs. This flexibility helps you maintain control and customize your data environment as needed. Understanding and effectively using global and current file options in Power BI Desktop can streamline your workflow and enhance your data analysis capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time!